Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. Happy New Year to everyone and may all your wishes come true this year. Today I'm participating a challenge called as Winter Kitchen Vignette, and this is hosted by This and That with Denise Jordan. So if you haven't already been to her channel, please be sure to visit her channel. I'll leave the link of her channel in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. So today I wanted to share one of my coffee bar, and let me show what and all I got here. So I have a 2-tier tray here where I laid some Godiva chocolates on my first tier with some Ferrero Rocher, and on top I have some Milano cookies, which is Amarillo and hot cocoa. So that goes well with the coffee and hot chocolate and things like that. So they are there. And the other tier tray, I have some marshmallows, which are vegan ones, and some cocoa powder, and some tea bags. They are jasmine tea, and they're amazing tea. You should try them. On the top tier. And this is one of my favorite mug, and I got from Michael's long back, and it says Happy Holidays, so it's going along with the theme, so he's also joining the party. And this is one of the flower vase I made from a ceramic jug with a bow, with a ribbon, sheer ribbon, and some flowers. So I just wanted to show this flower vase, so I just added in the center as a centerpiece. And on this side, the tier tray, I have some mugs and some cookie butter and some Dow chocolates, some Lindors, and one more Lindor chocolate, some Hershey's, and some trays to eat some cookies and things like that, and some silver spoons. And I have some milk and sugar, for hot cocoa. And this side I have some tea set that is part of the party. And this tea set, I have to talk about this because this is when I decorated my coffee bar, my daughter got excited, and she also wants to show her tea set that she used to be playing with, and I kept it as a centerpiece, as a main attraction. So this is also joining the party, and I had one of the snowflake to give the winter effect to it. And yeah, this is my coffee bar where you can make some hot cocoa, or you can make some tea or coffee. So these are the things that I wanted to share with you all today, and I hope you enjoyed my coffee bar and as much as I did. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. And thank you so much for joining today, and I'll see you again.